I've been doing Python for 8 years. Here is the most valuable programming language in 100 seconds. Let's go.
Now, the first concept that we're going to start off with is comments. So comments, much like in Twitter or in X, it starts with hashtags. You can write hashtag and you can write my comment here. Whenever you start with a hashtag, these are notes to yourself. Next concept is variables. So I create a new comment and I write variables. Writing Python is like teaching a robot. Variables are like containers or storage units in the robot's head. So if I want the robot to know that the name is Elon, I can write name equals Elon. And there's this function, it's called print. So if I run this, it gives me Elon. This is called a string. So it is a text field in quote marks. You can also write age. So the age of the robot might be 1. This is called an integer. It's a type. And then there is also Booleans. So this is true or false. So I say, am I very cool? And you can say true. And this is called a Boolean, or you can say false, which is a little bit unfortunate. You also have the list. So here I can write several names like Elon, Jeff, and Zuck. This is called a list. Dictionaries, you can store things to look them up really quickly. So you can say expenses equals, and I put rent 100, food is 200, and my fun is 1,000 because I love to have fun. Next, conditionals. So this is if or else statements. What I might say is if your name is Jeff, then you need an indentation. So I write here print hi Jeff. And if I run this, it says hi Jeff. If I change this to Elon, but if I write instead here else print hi there, then it'll print hi there because it'll see this is false. And it says, if this isn't true, then do this. Now let's do loops where we say, for example, bot underscore names. And we said that it was here, the names were Elon, Jeff, and Zuck. And a loop is a way that you can go over these one by one. So if I say for name in bot names and going one by one through them, I want to print out each name. So if I run this, it'll give Elon, Jeff, Zuck. You can create a function by defining it. So we write def add underscore number and numbers. And we do a comma b. So we take in two numbers and we say return a plus b. So if I do print add numbers 1 and 2, it'll give me 3 because 1 plus 2 is 3.